Morning, children of class 9th. I welcome you all to the virtual class of geography learning on time and longitude. Here I present a comprehensive poem on globe, latitude and longitude. The globe, a rotating object, true replica of the earth, gridded with the graticules of 181 latitudes and 360 longitudes, drawn at 1 degree apart, facilitates the location of objects on the earth. Latitudes, angular, imaginary parallel lines seen north and south of equator. Significantly 7, equator divides the earth into two halves, northern and southern hemisphere, where sun vertically overhead, year all around. Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn restrict the sun's apparent migration in the either hemispheres with the seasonal changes. Arctic and Antarctic circles, solar is terminated here at every 6 months interval. North and South poles, two extreme points, register the convergence of all 360 longitudes. Latitudes functionally serve 5 purposes. Reveals the location of a place, as 19 degree north latitude confirms the location of Brahmapur. Latitudes depict the climate of a place experienced, people's food habits of the region, costumes and human response and activities. Now longitudes, drawn to the east and west of the prime meridian. Meridians means midday. All the places on the same longitudes have the midday at the same time. All longitudes merge at two poles. Longitudes go with two responsibilities. First, confirms the location of an object, as 84 degree east longitude denotes the location of Brahmapur. Second, longitudes speak of the local and the standard time as well. 4 minutes difference is evidenced between two successive longitudes. Dear children, in the last virtual class I explained you how to calculate time. Now, how to calculate longitude. Look at this sum. What is the longitude of place A? Time given 8:24 am. When it is 6:20 am at place B on 16 degree east longitude. Our task is to find out the longitude of place A. In this context, what is to be done? First see the pictorial illustration. This is 0 degree prime meridian and place A 8:24 am, but longitude is unknown. Here B located on 16 degree east. This side eastern hemisphere, so somewhere here 16 degree east, place B. And time recorded here is 6:20 am. Clear? But time of place A given, longitude unknown. Here what is to be done? First you see, get the time difference between the two places. Time difference between two places A and B. What is the time gap? 8:24 am minus 6:20 am. Clear? Here you get the difference. 2 hours 4 minutes. Here what you can do? You convert the hours and minutes into total minute form. 2 hours means 120 minutes. 1 hour 60 minutes, 2 hours 60 into 2 120 plus 4 minutes. So total minutes we get 124. Clear? And you know earth covers one longitude in 4 minutes. Clear? And in 124 minutes earth can cover 124 by 4. Clear? So what is the outcome? 31. Clear? I mean to say, in between the place A and B, there are 31 longitudes. Now come to the topic. Here 8:24 am, place A, its time runs ahead. Clear? Ahead of time B. So definitely it is towards east. So in this context, you have to add the longitudinal gap. How much? Here longitude is 16 east plus 31. Clear? 31. So 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 1 47. 47 east. Somewhere here. 47 degree east, place A, and time is 8:24 am. Clear? Now children, come to the next problem. What is the longitude of place X, time given 7:12 pm, when it is 10:36 pm at place Y on 78 degree east longitude? See the pictorial illustration. Prime meridian, this side eastern hemisphere, somewhere here 78 degree east, place Y, time 10:36 pm, but longitude of place X unknown. Here you get the time difference between the two places. Again, time difference between place X and Y. What is the time gap? 10:36 pm minus 7:12, and get the figure. 4 2 3 hours 24 minutes. Clear? 3 hours 24 minutes, and now convert into total minutes form. 3 hours means 60 into 3, 180 plus 24, so total 204. And you know, Earth covers one longitude in 4 minutes. In 204 minutes, Earth can cover 204 by 4, 51. So we get total 51 longitudinal gap. And now you see the time. Time place Y records 10:36 and X records 7:12 pm. And this, the time of place X is behind of it. Behind of means you need to subtract the longitudinal gap. If it is ahead, you make addition. If it is behind, then you subtract. Here what is the figure? 78 minus 51. 7 and 27 degree east. So longitude of place X, somewhere here 27 degree east, and time is 7:12 pm. Clear? Now children, another topic, time zone. You see, time, 1 hour, and zone, an area of 15 longitudinal coverage. Clear? I mean to say, a time zone consists of 15 longitudes of 1 hour duration. Clear? Here you see, this is the prime meridian, 1 2 3 up to 15 degree east. This is a one time zone. Look at this. The time zone consists of 15 longitudes, 1 2 3, this way 15 longitudes, and you know the time gap between the two successive longitude is 4 minutes. So 15 into 4, 60 minutes, 1 hour. This way you have 12 time zones on the eastern hemisphere. Followed 15 degree, next time zone 15 to 30, then 30 to 45, 45 to 60, 60 to 75, 75 to 90. This way 90, 105, like up to 180 degree east. Similarly, in the other hemisphere, western hemisphere, 15 degree west, 30 degree west. So time zone 1 2 3, 12 time zones on the western hemisphere. So 15 east, 30 east. This way you have 24 time zones. 12 in the eastern hemisphere, 12 on the western hemisphere. And you know, the local time of mid longitude is the standard time of the concerned zone. Clear? In this context, the mid longitude of India lies somewhere here, between 67 degree and 97 degree east. And its mid longitude, you see 75, 90, its mid longitude is 82 half degree east. Clear? And 82 half degree east, and its local time is considered as the standard time of whole India. Clear? Now children, let me explain great circle and small circle. What is great circle? A circle that divides the earth into two halves. Clear? A circle that divides the earth into two halves. Here you see equator line. It divides the earth into two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. As such, equator, 0 degree equator is said to be a great circle. Whereas, you see, your Brahmapur latitude is 19 degree north. This circle or this latitude does not divide the earth into two equal halves. As such, 19 degree north is said to be a small circle. Clear? So the only one latitude, equator, is a great circle. Similarly, all longitudes, you see, this is 0 degree longitude, and its opposite longitude is 180 longitude. Clear? So 180 longitude and 0 degree longitude both constitutes a great circle. Clear? So longitude and its opposite longitude forms a great circle that divides the earth into two equal halves, and this is the great circle. Clear?